In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to repost other people's story on Instagram. There isn't a built feature on Instagram, but I found the way how we can actually do it. Let's jump right into the Instagram app and let's scroll through the other people's stories so we can find a story that we want to repost on our account. All we gotta do at this point is just simply to screenshot the image. Then you want to click on the image itself and you want to adjust by simply cropping the unnecessary parts. You want to crop it to look like exactly brand new published story on IG, okay? From bottom to top. Then you want to save the recently screenshotted item. You want to close the story bar and let's repost the story. Refresh our feed and go on the upper left side of the screen. Click the plus sign and let's recreate the same exact story by simply clicking on the plus sign, clicking on the story, and then I want you to pinch out so you can essentially fit to the screen size, okay? So it will look perfectly. If you see that, it looks perfect. Do you know what's even better is that there is a hashtag, there is a nickname of the actual owner of the post, so you might actually not need it to put the tag, but we're going to do a step further and we're going to click on the text sign and then we're going to click on the lower left side mention. Then we're going to find the person, which is over here, and we are going to include this somewhere, right? You can include it here, you can include it here, wherever you like to. But this is how simple it is, guys, to repost a story of someone else. If you look at it, it looks perfect. 100% looks like you repost a story from the original creator and you didn't took a screenshot, right? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.